What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Ink Demon from Bendy in the Dark Revival. Let's begin today's lesson at the very top of our page with the inside edge of the horn. We'll start over on the left side, draw a curve coming down, round up the center, and then pull that back up on the right. Now I want to bend the horns going back out. So on the left, round this out, go out towards the end, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's work our way back in towards the bottom of the horns. Starting on the left, come around. I'm just going to bend that out towards the side. Round up the end, and then pull that back in. Now I want to add some drips along the bottom edge. Starting back over on the left, come down and up. Just going to add some randomly sized drips going all the way across. And a longer one going up. And then down and back up towards the right. I'm going to add a drip mark across the left side. Starting up here, come down and up. Round up the top, come down and back up on the inside. Now I'm going to move back to the center and draw on the teeth. Let's start right in the middle with a point. Now from here, I'm going to draw a straight line coming down the center. Let's go back up to the top and draw the gum line. I'm going to go up and then down toward the left, go back to the center, go up and then down towards the right. Let's angle the side of the tooth, coming down and in. And then we'll round out the bottom of the teeth, going back up in the middle. Let's add another set of teeth along the side. Starting up here, bend this up and then down. And then again, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the bottom of the teeth. Round out the bottom and just pull that up on the inside. Let's add another set and go up and then bend that out. Come down with an angled line. And we'll just tuck that in along the side. Now I'm going to move down and draw the bottom row of teeth. Starting on the outside, I'm going to curve this down, across the middle, and bend that back up. Now we're going to fill the inside of the mouth in black. And now we're going to draw the bottom row of teeth. We're going to start right in the middle, start with the left side. We're going to come down, round at the bottom, and then pull that back up. Go back to the center, do the same thing on the right. Now we'll continue to add more teeth going out towards the side. Let's start on the left. Down, up. I'm going to add one more, starting from the side. We're just going to tuck this in towards the side. Now I'm going to go back underneath the horns and draw the side of the jaw. I'm going to come down and then bend that in. And I'll add some drips coming down the side of the head. Starting back over on the left, come in, bend that down. On the left side, we're going to round this out, pull this up and in underneath the teeth. Let's go over towards the right, bend this down and in. Let's add another drip. Come down, round out the bottom, and just pull that up and in. Let's close off the bottom of the head. Starting underneath the drip on the left, just curve this down underneath the gum line and back across towards the right. Now from here, we tuck the shoulders in behind the head. Let's start over on the left, bend this out and then down. Line this up on the right. Now I'm going to add a small horn along the side. I'm going to step back, and it's out, and then up. Just pull the horn coming down and then in toward the side of the shoulders. Let's add a fold. I'm going to step up, curve the chest, coming down. I'm just going to bend that in. Let's go over towards the right, come down, and then in, leaving a gap in between. Now let's add 2 more spikes along the back. I'm going to start from the side of the head, and it's up, and then out, and then taper that back in on top of the shoulders. Let's go underneath the chest and curve the body, in and then down towards the hips. From the hips, we'll step up. Just going to round this out, and just pull that in. Now to move to the center, step down and add a fold. We're going to go up and then back down. Now I'm going to go over toward the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the inside of the knee, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now from here, we're going to step back up, curve this up and in towards the heel. Round up the heel, come down, and then out towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the thigh. And bend this out, and just come down towards the outside of the knee. Let's round out the knee, and just pull that back up, aiming towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to come down and then up. And we'll bend the foot, coming in and up underneath the knee. Now let's separate the hoof. Starting from the bottom of the foot, we're going to go up with an angled line and then come back down. Now I'm going to add some drips across the foot. Starting from the outside, bend this up, come down, round this out, go up, and then down on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start underneath the chest on the outside, then this down, and then out. Let's line this up on the right. Down and out. From the elbow, we'll step in, curve the arm, coming down, and then in towards the wrist. Now I'm going to work our way around the outside of the arm. Let's step up, bend the arm, going out, and then down towards the elbow. Let's add a spike on the outside. And step back up, and it's out, and up. Now let's pull this back in towards the arm. Let's place the outside of the arm on top of that spike. So we'll step up, come down, and then in towards the wrist. Now I'm going to go back to the inside of the wrist and draw the thumb. Coming in and then down. And we'll bend the thumb, coming in and back out. Let's work our way back up towards the hand. Going up. And we'll bend this in towards the base of the hand. Let's add in the first finger. Starting up here, and out and then down. And we'll bend the finger, coming down and back in. Let's work our way back up towards the hand. We'll taper this out towards the first knuckle. Curve this up and in. Let's layer the second finger in behind. Start from the top, bend this out and then down. Come down and then back in. I'm going to do the same thing. Just going to work our way out towards the knuckle. Bend this up and in. Now tuck the third finger in behind. From the wrist, bend this out, and then down in behind. Now let's add some drips underneath the arms. We start on the left, bend this in, and then down. Round at the bottom, pull that back up. Round at the top, come down and add another drip. Round at the bottom, go up and in underneath the chest. Let's go over towards the right side, starting underneath the chest, come down towards the bottom. Round this out, go back up. Round at the top, we'll add one more drip, going up and out underneath the arm. Let's add a drip going across each of the fingers on the right. So we come down and up. Just work our way across towards the outside. And then we'll separate the wrist. Now we're just going to add one more drip coming down from the finger. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the ink demon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.